Guys, welcome to this Kotlin series of tutorial. In this video we are going to discuss about the interface. So let me create another file. The name is interface. So interface is like it's similar to abstract class because here also we cannot create the object of the interface classes, and interface can have both abstract and non-abstract method. An interface can only have abstract property and non-abstract property are not allowed. A class can implement more than one interface. All abstract property and abstract member function of the interface must be overridden in the classes that implemented it. So let's start and create one simple example for this. So I'm writing here interface with interface keyword, and the interface is A. Okay, and inside the interface I'm creating one function. The function is call me println call me function. Then here I am creating interface B. Calling B. Let me create here calling A, calling B, println calling B, calling B function. Okay, now here I am going to create one class. The class name is demo, and this demo extending with the interface A comma interface B. Okay, and this function want to be override function. Okay, because of somewhere getting same name, so because of that it was creating issues. Yeah, now it's working fine. Let me demo dot calling function A, calling B. With this interface we can access both the with this demo object we can access both the interface because it has implemented here. Okay, now let us run this function. So it got printed both the function with the help of this demo1 class. So we are going to take another example for interface, and let me delete this up to here. Okay, now again I am going to take interface that will be man interface, and here inside that we can create variable function. Okay, so here I am going to create one string skull2. String string, and in that one function my fun, that is returning a string, and here one more normal function I'm going to create, demo, and here printing something, demo. Okay, now here I am going to create one class my fav class. It is going to implement that interface, main interface, and here it's giving me error because I need to implement that functions, whatever we have the string and function is there, that I need to implement here. Okay, so here I can directly return this function, no need to do anything for this. Okay, now let me run. Here I need to print demo.s demo.myfun. So whatever value I have assigned here, it got printed. This function I have not here to interface one variable, one function I have created, but value was I have not assigned. Okay, I have implemented same function to this class, my favorite, in that implemented that interface, and here I am assigning this value. Okay, here I am assigning value for a variable and function also, and here I am printing. With this I have created object for this class, and here I have printed. So like that we can create interface